Warehouse Mobility Enhancements for LN by Product Reporting. My name is David Scott, Senior Business Analyst for FactoryTrack for LN. In this video, we'll cover transaction overview and then a demo of the new capabilities. This new transaction provides the user with the capability of reporting the creation of byproducts during this job shop manufacturing process. Captures serial numbers, lot number if the item requires these. So let's have a look at the demonstration. If I go into FactoryTrack Administration, under Master Explorer, Modules, Configuration, Parameters, Transaction Set Maintenance, we see the parameters that have been created for byproduct reporting. We'll see there's just one of these, which is a put away. So simply this says, when I do the byproduct reporting, do I want to do immediate put away or do I want to do a subsequent one? If I select the put away, then it brings up the standard put away parameters. We also have the decision of whether we want to print labels, which are currently turned on. So now let's start up the transaction. If I log into the scanner and click on production, I see the new transaction byproduct reporting which is available. So here I will scan in the order number that I'm reporting against, enter the operation, scan in the item that I'm reporting, and the quantity. Gives me a successful message and allows me to print the labels. If I go into LN and have a look at the warehouse orders, if I select that particular order number, I should see I have got a new receipt transaction here, which is for 10 of these. And if we go and have a look at this order, we'll see that it has a status of received but not yet put away. I can also receive other types of items. If I receive a lot controlled item, I can report the quantity and print the labels for this. Similarly, if it's a serial controlled item, I can enter a quantity of 2 and scan in my serial numbers. And then print the labels for it. So if we go back to the warehouse order, we can see now that we have got additional lines created. If we look at the status, we can see that again they've been received but not yet put away. That's the same for both the lot controlled item and the serial controlled item. If we look at the receipt line, we'll be able to see for this receipt line the item identification has captured our lot number there. Similarly, if we look at the third and fourth, if we look at the receipts here, we'll see that we've got 2 receipts here, and again, we've created 2 serials, A201 and A202. So these are now ready to be put away. This completes this video. Thank you for watching.